Guys, happy Sunday. I just wanted you to hear the birds. I should have my stand out here, but it has been raining, so I can't really sit down anyway. Isn't that an amazing sound? I don't know what bird. I have no idea what type of bird that is. If you know, let me know in the comments. There's the sun setting. It's quite pretty. It's very strange. They sound like they're a long way away. If you heard that in in the middle of nowhere, in a dark, spooky forest, you'd be freaked out, I'm sure. I would be. Well, if it was 2 in the morning. Uh, I've got to say, I've never really heard this sound before, like this. Whatever bird that is, or birds. Sounds like there's more than one. I just cannot see even through here. I've got full zoom on, I can't see anything in the distance yet in those big trees. Oh, there, those birds are at the side of me, but I'm not swinging the phone around. Slowed down now. Oh, it's finally said its piece. maybe, maybe it's a bird meeting. I suppose the birds have got a lot to say with what's going on in the world. Affects them. We need the birds because the birds send off a kind of frequency. It's not a frequency, but it's a kind of something off to the trees in the morning, so that the trees expel oxygen. So the birds are very needed. True story. Oh, there's a flock over there. Like I said, I don't want to spin around on you guys and make yourself dizzy. As it is, I'm a bit shaky because I'm not sitting down. I've got my arms leaning on everything. Just standing. Because yeah, we've had rain. There's Missy Moo on an adventure. Hey! That was a big run up the hill. Yeah, because it's wet down there. I think she went to the ladies and then she's come up real quick. See, see when she's got the zoomies. That's so cute. And then she starts dancing on the back of the feet. Like, it's really sweet. She's my emotional support dog, I think. 1, 2, 3. Dolly's quiet during all this. That's a crow. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. Now the little Tweety birds are going to come out. But wasn't that a weird bird sound? I think so. That's why I videotaped it and that's why I'm sharing it. Have a wonderful Sunday, everyone. Love to all. Take care. Bye.